Welcome back, my fashionables. Today, we'll be featuring our delicious fried rice. Stay tuned because at the end of this video, I will be leaving you with 3 important tips on achieving the most delicious party fried rice. Let's get started, guys. For our protein base, we'll be using our beef, turkey, and some shrimps. For our vegetables, we have our carrots, sweet corn, green peas, and we are going to garnish it with some spring onions from my garden. Note that we need a very rich stock to achieve this delicious fried rice. So in our blender, we blend our onions, ginger, and garlic, and we add them to our already washed proteins. We go in with some curry powder, cumin, thyme, salt, and some seasoning cubes. We mix it well till it combines. We cover the pot for about 15 minutes and allow it to sweat out its own moisture. This process will help your protein to absorb the seasoning and you will end up with a very delicious protein. Give it a stir again and allow it to cook till it is done. Now our protein is ready. Let's transfer it into the oven. In a clean pot, add some olive oil or some butter for more aroma. Then repeat your spices again. That is your curry powder, cumin, and thyme. Go in with your already washed rice and fry it for about 7 minutes. The key element of fried rice is the texture. The rice should be able to stand individually without sticking. After about 5 minutes of toasting, I'm going to go in with my stock. Taste and adjust with seasoning if necessary. Stir and allow it to cook till about 70% done. In another pot, I'm going to add some oil, some olive oil, and I'll go in with my shrimps and toast it until it is brown. Now my shrimps are ready. Then I'll take it out and I'm going to go in with my veggies. I'll fry my veggies for about 10 minutes, and once they are ready, I will scoop some out and add my rice. Then I will fry my rice in batches. Then keep going in with a little more veggies and rice until you attain your desired texture. Our fried rice is ready, guys, and I'm going to garnish it with some spring onions from my garden. Look at it, guys. Very fashionable, right? I did not forget the 3 important tips I promised you. Let's dive into them. Firstly, wash your rice until the water runs clear. Secondly, before adding your stock, make sure you fry your rice until it stands out individually without sticking. And lastly, do not add too much water after adding your stock. And thanks so much for watching. And do not forget to subscribe, like, and share this video. See you in my next video, guys, with so many amazing recipes.